On a bright, sunny summer day in a little American town, our adventure begins. Meet Alex, a curious, brave young boy, stepping out of his cozy home. With his sweet little sister Lily and his best friend Oliver by his side, they set out, excited and eager, to explore the mysterious jungle that borders their town. Can you feel the thrill of a new adventure just around the corner? As they enter the lush jungle, the world transforms into a magical wonderland. The trio wanders along a winding path, eyes wide with delight at the colorful birds, playful squirrels, and the soft whisper of the leaves. Every step they take fills their hearts with awe. This is a secret realm full of surprises and hidden beauty. Deep within the heart of the jungle, something extraordinary catches Alex's eye. "Look, over there," he exclaims. The friends rush toward the glimmering object and, with bated breath, uncover a dazzling golden chest hidden under a veil of green foliage. Its enchanting glow lights up their faces as they wonder, what magical secret does this chest hold? Gathered around the radiant golden chest in a quiet clearing, the friends share a heartfelt moment. Oliver ponders, maybe this chest is magic. It could bring good fortune to our town. Lily's eyes sparkle with excitement, and Alex beams with brave enthusiasm. Together, they decide they must share this treasure with everyone, for its true magic lies in the promise of unity and kindness. With the golden chest safely in hand, Alex, Lily, and Oliver return to their town. The town square bursts into celebration. Neighbors gather, smiles abound, and even the mayor stands proudly as the chest is presented on a decorated table. Laughter and joy fill the air. This treasure has become a symbol of hope, bringing everyone together in a festive embrace. In the days that follow, the magic of the golden chest works its wonders. The town grows closer, sharing smiles and acts of kindness. Our brave trio, Alex, Lily, and Oliver, realizes that the true treasure isn't the chest or its gold. It's the love, friendship, and unity they share. And so, our adventure reminds us, real treasures come from the heart, and together we can light up the world.